Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Tucked away in the quiet hills of Chancery Hall on Lady Hamilton Drive is this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, which includes a self-contained 1-bed, 1-bath apartment. It sits on 1/3 acre of leveled land with room to grow. The main home offers multiple living areas, including a living room, TV room, dining room, home office, nook, balcony, patio, and helper's quarters. The attached apartment offers excellent potential as an income earner or private guest suite. Outdoors features a bar, gazebo, and 2 bathrooms, ideal for events or entertaining. There is ample space to add a pool or expand. Some cosmetic work is needed, but the land leveling is already done, which is a major bonus. With its size, layout, and location, just minutes from PriceSmart and Redhill's Mall, the property holds future development potential as a private residence or multi-unit investment. A rare find with flexibility, charm, and value in one of Redhill's most desirable communities. This is not just a house, it's a canvas, a compound, and a calling for the right buyer who sees the opportunity. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 85 million, US, 538.7 thousand, Canadian, 771.1 thousand, Euro, 494.8 thousand, or 418.7 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.